Hi, second graders. I hope you had a great sunny weekend. It was beautiful outside today, and it's supposed to be beautiful today. So knock out your work so you can get outside and play all afternoon. Today, you are going to open up your Journeys book and listen along to The Mysterious Tadpole. If you click on the link, it'll open up and you can follow along in your book as it reads. And then read it to yourself. If you need to, you can have somebody read every other page with you. You read a page, your partner reads a page. Then I want you to log into BrainPop Junior, password or username 112CHN, password star, and type in plot or click on the link and it should open you right there. And I want you to practice retelling the plot to somebody. What happened first, second, third, and last. All right. Then I want you to record yourself reading for the 5 minutes on Seesaw, and that can count as your 20 minutes of read to self today. Okay, remember you don't need to do read to self all at once. I know at my house we like to save read to self for bedtime. Eliana will read us stories before bedtime. So you can either knock it out right now or you can do it later today, whatever works for you and your family. Then your optional tasks for today, you will see we moved Sunday to optional for this week. Okay, so go ahead and listen to lesson 109. If you are able to do it, I want you to still do Sunday because it is great practice and it is great for your phonics skills and learning phonics. You know how much Mrs. Mettert loves Sunday in the classroom because it is such a great resource and a great tool to make sure we are learning all of our phonics and our rules. And then you can click on the link to see how to complete your Sunday worksheet 109. If you are looking for something to do today, which I hope you're not because I really hope you get outside this afternoon. If we were in school, we would be taking a brain break because it's supposed to be so beautiful out today. But if you are stuck inside because you can't go outside with mom or dad, or you're looking for something else to do, you can research something that interests you on Pebble Go and create a poster, a Google slide, or some type of creation and post your learning on Seesaw. You could also complete a Raz-Kids, or you can log into IXL and work on spelling patterns for long E and long I words. Those are all optional. So for sure, you need to read your Journeys book, follow along, and then read it to yourself. Watch the BrainPop Junior on Plot. Record yourself reading so Mrs. Mettert can hear you reading for 5 minutes. And then read to self at some time today. All right, I hope you have a great day. And I can't wait to see you all on Google Meets tomorrow at 9:30 in the morning. All right. Have a great day.